Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Bagja Saputra, and now I study at Pelita Bangsa University. I make this video because I got a task from my lecturer to make a video for sharing one of matter about management information system. So actually, this is so hard for me to make this video in English, but I will try my best. So just let's start to the material. Management information system is an integrated user-machine system for providing information to support the operation, management, analysis, and decision-making function in an organization. MIS is an organized integration of hardware and software technologies, data, process, and human element. It is a software system that focuses on the management of internal information technology to provide efficient and effective strategic decision making. The component of MIS, there are three of components. First, management, information, and system. Management is the art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized group. Second, in information. Information is data that is processed and is presented in a form which assists decision making. It may contain an element of surprise, reduce uncertainty, or provoke a manager to initiate an action. And the last one is system. System is an orderly grouping of interdependent components linked together according to a plan to achieve a special goal. The term system is the most loosely held term in management literature because of its use in different contexts. So the next is objective of MIS. There are data capturing, processing of data, storage, retrieval, and dissemination. For data capturing, MIS capture data from various internal and external sources of the organization. Data capturing may be manual or through computer terminals. And next, processing of data. The captured data is processed to convert into the required information. Processing of data is done by such activities as calculating, sorting, classifying, and summarizing. Next, storage of information. MIS store the processed or unprocessed data for future use. If any information is not immediately required, it is saved as an organization record for later use. Next, retrieval of information. MIS retrieves information from its store as and when required by various users. And the last one is dissemination of information. Information, which is a finished product of MIS, is dissemination to the user in the organization. It is periodic or online through a computer terminal. Okay, next, about characteristic of MIS. The characteristic of MIS, you know, what is MIS characteristic? MIS plays a very important role in every aspect of an organization. These characteristics are generic in nature. So first is system approach. The information system follow a system approach. The system approach implies a holistic approach to the study of system and performance in the light for the objective for which it has been constituted. Next, management oriented. The top-to-down approach must be followed while designing the MIS. The top-to-down approach suggests that the system development starts from the determination of management needs and overall business objective. The MIS development plan should be derived from the overall business plan. Management-oriented characteristic of MIS also implies that the management actively direct the system development effort. Next is needs. MIS design and development should be as per the information needs of managers at different levels: strategic planning level, management control level, and operational control level. In other words, MIS should cater to the specific needs of manager in an organization hierarchy. Next, exception-based. MIS should be developed on the exception-based reporting principle, which means an abnormal situation, the maximum, minimum, or expected values vary beyond tolerance limits. In such situation, there should be exception reporting to the decision maker at the required level. And next, future-oriented. Besides exception-based reporting, MIS should also look at the future. In other words, MIS should not merely provide past or historical information, rather it should provide information on the basis of projection based on which action may be initiated. Next, integrated. Integration is a necessary characteristic of a management information system. Integration is significant because of its ability to produce more meaningful information. For example, in order to develop an effective production scheduling system, it is necessary to balance such factors as setup costs, workforce, overtime rates, production capacity, inventory level, capital requirement, and customer service. Next is long-term planning. MIS is developed over a relatively long period. Such a system does not develop overnight. A heavy element of planning is involved. The MIS designer must have the future objectives and needs of the company in mind. And the last one is subsystem concept. The process of MIS development is quite complex and one is likely to lose insight frequently. Thus, the system through view as a single entity must be broken down into decipherable subsystems, which are more meaningful at the planning stage. Next, advantage of MIS. A good management information system can be used not only for the storage of electronic data alone, but must be able to support the analysis required by management. There are many advantages of MIS, which are utilized by manager to achieve organization goal. So, for the advantage of MIS, there are first, increased customer satisfaction. Second, satisfaction. Second is improve quantity and quality of information. Next, improve quantity and quality management decision. Improve responsiveness number of the competitor condition. Improve operational efficiency and flexibility. Improve quality of internal and external communication. Improve quality of planning, improve quality control and supervision. So next, let's talk about role of MIS. A management information system plays an important role in business organization. There are many roles of MIS, and some of the important MIS are discussed: decision making, the coordination among the department, finding out problem, comparison of business performance and strategies for an organization. For the first one is decision making. Management information system plays a significant role in the decision making process of any organization. In any organization, a decision is made on the basis of relevant information which can be retrieved from the MIS. Next, coordination among the department. Management information system satisfy multiple needs of an organization across the different functional departments. Next, finding out problems. As we know that MIS provides relevant information about every aspect of activities. Hence, if any mistake is made by the management, then MIS information will help in finding out the solution to that problem. Comparison of business performance, MIS store all past data and information in its database. That's why the management information system is very useful to compare business organization performance. And the last one is strategies for an organization. Today, each business is running in a competitive market, and MIS support the organization to involve appropriate strategies for the business to ascend in a competitive environment. Next, challenge of MIS. What is MIS challenge? There are three major challenges of MIS. First, high cost. Second, training of employees. And the last one is maintenance cost. High cost. Development of new computer-based information system is a problem for the organization due to the cost factor. And it creates problem because with the change of time, there is need up to date of the information system. Training of employees should have the capacity of learning of the information system with the changing competitive and business environment. Otherwise, it will be difficult for the organization to stay in the market. And the last one is maintenance cost. Sometimes a problem arises due to server crash and website crash. Sometimes it leads to the loss of information. So maintenance cost is needed to tackle the above problem. So I think all the material that I can share is finished. Sorry for my English. I know that my English is not good enough, but I just try my best. I hope all the material that I can share can help you to understand and to understand about management information system. I think that's enough from me, and see you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.